Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to turn on or off directions to destination on the following car. So let me show you how to use this feature and let me explain what does it do. Alright, so at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Here let's choose settings, as you can see right here. From the list of settings, select here maps. So the third option from the left tab, and here let's enable or disable show direction to destination. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle, and if you enable it, it will add a visual indicator, usually a straight line or a small arrow that points directly toward your final destination, regardless of which road you are currently on. It helps with your general sense of orientation, showing you which direction your goal is geographically while you follow the specific winding turns of the road. So it can be quite useful. I will leave it enabled, and I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.